children, everyone open your environmental studies textbook. We are in the lesson creepy crawlies and up to page number 56 we have completed. Everyone open page number 57 in your textbooks. Page number 57. Okay. So now a dragonfly has compound eyes with 30,000 lenses making each of their eyes. See in a dragonfly. Fly is there, no children? That is a dragonfly. Has compound eyes. It has eyes, no? In that 30,000 lenses making each of their eyes. Inside its eye there are 30,000 lenses. Okay. So it is making each of their lens. This is a very important one, children. You have to remember this one. Okay. Most butterflies live only for a few weeks. Yes, butterflies, their lifespan is very low. Okay. They suck nectar, mate, lay eggs and then die. So first of all, they will suck the nectar from the flowers. They will do the friendship with the other gender. And afterwards, they will lay eggs. And as soon as they complete this procedure, no, they will die. Butterflies generally sit with their wings folded. See, have you ever seen the butterfly sitting on a wall or on a, on the floor or on doors? No, it will sit on its wings only. Okay. When they sit with their wings open, they are gathering warmth from the sun to get energy to fly. So when they are sitting like that, no, first of all, what they will do, no, they will gather the warmth from the sun rays. Okay, so that they'll get the energy and they will start again flying in the air. Moths look like butterflies, but they are very different from each other. See the picture, moth and butterfly are given, no? So this is the moth and this is the butterfly. Even though they are look similar to see, but there are a lot of differences there. Okay. The moths look like butterflies, but they are very different from each other. We see butterflies in the daytime and moths at night. So we can see the butterflies in the daytime, whereas moths only in the night time. In the night times only we can see the moths. Okay. Butterflies have thinner bodies and moths have thicker bodies. See, butterflies, they are very delicate. If you catch that one, no, soon it will die. That is why we should not touch that one. We have to enjoy the beauty of the butterfly, children, because different patterns will be there on the wings of the butterfly. Yes or no? Whereas these moths will be very tummy. They are very thick ones. Okay. Now, activity for FA is given there. Look at this picture of a grasshopper. Discuss with your friends and answer the following questions. Here a small thing is there. He has given one picture. Now there. Okay. How many legs does a grasshopper have? If you read the textbook question, you can textbook part. You can write this answer, children. How many wings does it have? What is the color of a grasshopper? Grasshopper color, by seeing itself you can tell what is the color over there. Okay. Just write these answers with the pencil in your book. Now see. Grasshoppers and crickets are jumpers. Jumpers means they'll move from one place to another. They'll jump. They won't crawl or they won't fly. They will jump. Both make a chirping sound by rubbing their hind legs against their wings. Chirping sound. Avaku rakamaina sound chestuntayi anamata. Hind legs means venaka kallatoni vaatni rub chestu they will make different sound. They are part of the same family, but crickets come out at night while grasshoppers are seen in the daytime. So this crickets and grasshoppers belongs to same family. Okay, we can see the grasshoppers in the daytimes, whereas crickets only we can see in the night time. Have you ever the sounds in the night time when it is dark? No, we'll hear some sounds. Okay, that is what. Here now, crawly and slidey. What is that? Centipedes and millipedes are examples of crawly animals. Centipedes and millipedes are the examples of what, children? Crawly animals. Centipede is a tiny brown long creature with many legs. So it has a tiny brown long creature. The color will be brown color. Okay, and it is very tiny, a small one with many legs. It has so many legs. It may have up to 700 legs. See how many legs it has, children? 700 legs. It eats insects and other creepy crawlies. So what it will do? It will eat the insects and the remaining creepy crawlies will be there. No, it will eat them also. Millipedes are plant eaters. Whereas these millipedes, what they will do, children? They will eat the plants. Okay. Have you ever seen these millipedes on the leaves? They will eat that one. Okay. Now turn the page. Snail is a slimy creature with a shell on its back. Snails, have you seen? It curls up into this hard shell, which is also its home. It uses its shell as a home also. Okay, the shell protects it from its enemies because the shell is a harder part in its body. It will protect that snail from the enemies. Okay, they generally stay in damp places. Damp places ante tadiga undetvanti pradesalu. Okay, damp means tadi anamata, such as bottom of the leaves and stones. They slide on their slimy bellies. Their bellies will be very smooth and slim, so they will move like that. Okay, very nicely they will slide. Okay, now the social insects. Insects that live in colonies are called social insects. So insects that live in colonies. Colonies means what, they live in groups. Okay, they have a queen who is very important because she is the only one who lays eggs. So in this one, only one will lay the eggs, children. So that is a very important to them. Okay, honeybees make honey and build hives. Honeybees, what they will do, they will prepare the honey. No, first of all they will build small hives. In that they will suck the nectar and they will bring and they will keep in that. Okay, nearly 50 to 80,000 bees live together. See, 50 to 80,000, not even hundreds, children. Here thousands, 50,000 to 80,000 bees live all together. Okay, only one queen bee lays all the eggs. See, even though they are living in a group up to 50,000 to 80,000, no, only one bee, that is a queen bee, it only lays the eggs over there. Okay, honeybees are greatly valued for their honey. So what, first of all, we know honey, it is a very costly one also. Nowadays it is using in some of the medicines also, children. Okay, in the early hours some people they will drink that one in the, what is it, lemon water. They will mix this and they will drink. Okay, this is a very costly one. And these honeybees are that is why I will give more value to that. Even honeybees are what is, they will be placed in one place and from them only we will collect the honey. Okay, many people make a living out of selling this honey. So they'll gather the honey and they will sell the honey, and so that they'll get the money back. Okay, ants do not fly, but they are social insects and lives in nests. These ants, they can't fly, they just move on the floor, that's all. Okay, they work very hard all summer to store food for winter. They are very, what is it, intelligent ones, and ants are. Why? Because throughout the summer they will work very hard and they'll gather the food for the winter seasons. Okay, when ants find food, they hurry back to the nest. While going back, they leave a trail of scent by pressing the body to the ground. See how intelligent they are. First of all, if they see any food somewhere, no, children, it will collect that one and it will go to the nest. While going to the nest, what it will do, no, it will leave some, what is it, perfume. From its body only, it leaves some perfume by touching the ground. So what for that? It shows the way to the other ants. And the తెలివైనవో చూడండి, ఫుడ్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని అది వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఒక పర్ఫ్యూమ్ సెంట్ లాంటిది దాని శరీరంలోకి వచ్చేది, అలా వదులుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది అనమాట. అలా వెళ్ళడం వల్ల ఏం జరుగుతుంది, రిమైనింగ్ యాంట్స్ ఆల్సో కెన్ కమ్ దేర్ అండ్ దే టు కెన్ గ్యాదర్ ద ఫుడ్ ఫర్ ద వింటర్ సీజన్. ఓకే, సో ద అదర్ యాంట్స్ ఫైండ్ ద ఫుడ్ బై ఫాలోయింగ్ దిస్ సెంట్. ఆ సెంట్ స్మెల్ని చూసిన తర్వాత ఎంత బాగా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాయంటే వాటికి కూడా ఫుడ్కి వే దొరికేసినట్టే కదా, అవునా కదా? ఎస్. So here children, till here you have to read, ma. And today your homework part is from page number 60. Why are ladybirds known as farmers' friends? Write a short note on a snail. What are social write third and fourth question answers. These two questions in your homework book with good handwriting. Okay, have a good day children. Thank you.